Here, we have to find the value of x, but we will satisfy this equation. The first step to apply here is to let out the fraction here. Then you need to find the LCM in the denominator. The LCM of 4 and x is 4x. Then after, you multiply each term in this equation by the LCM of 4x. And the equation becomes 4x multiplied by x divided by 4 plus 4x multiplied by 8 divided by x equals 3 multiplied by 4x. Then here, 4 eliminates 4 here, and you have x times x, that gives us x squared. And here, x eliminates x here, and we have 4 times 8, that gives us plus 32 equals 3 times 4x, that gives us 12x. This is quadratic equation. When as such, we need to arrange it in this normal form. Then we have x squared. If you move plus 12x from the right hand side to the left hand side, it becomes minus 12x plus 32 equals 0. Here, you are going to use factorization method to solve this out. Then I'm going to apply the shortcut method here. Now, whenever you have this type of quadratic equation, come direct to the constants, look for two possible factors of 32, so that when to multiply these factors, it will give you 32, and when to add up these two factors, it will give you minus 12, which is the coefficient of x. Now, so let these factors be minus 8 and minus 4. Minus 8 times minus 4, that will give you plus 32, and minus 8 plus minus 4, that will give you minus 12. Then in that case, open two parentheses as this. Since this is x squared, introduce x here and introduce another one here. Then introduce each of these factors into the parentheses. You can decide to put minus 8 here and put minus 4 here and equate it to 0. Then here, it is either this equals 0 or this equals 0. Therefore, we have here that x minus 8 equals 0, or x minus 4 equals 0. Therefore, x equals 8 or x equals 4. And these are the possible values of x that will satisfy this equation. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more math solutions. See you in the next video.